Morning.
Good morning.
Mm.
Puro bayo bata, pre.
Last week we bought this, but not sweet.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Very small melon.
Yeah.
Almeda.
Ari na kayo, namin ni tatlo niyo.
This is also chicken for sale.
Yeah, chicken breast.
Yeah.
But it is female.
Yeah.
Female.
Magulang na siya na itagusintos.
Okay.
Kaya ba't kaya dahil?
Tiga minta.
Oh,
Bayaw ko.
is this for dogs? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Gwapo ni saya, gwapo.
Thank you. Okay.
Anong channel mo?
Ha?
Anong channel nila? Okay, okay.
You can subscribe.
Wala ka pala yan.
Man, oy. This is the father of mute man.
Oh,
May
okay.
bayo ko. Brother-in-law. Kaya father of the mute man. Si Aaron, ligad na ate bayway mo niya. Pre. Bayway mo niya ro. Oh, kita na ito niya.
They are selling that woods
Yeah. Yes.
for what?
To
For charcoal?
yeah. Fire to get fire.
For fire. Okay.
So, some people use wood to cook.
Yeah. And this is ready-made charcoal.
There is uling.
Okay.
Uling.
siya, dalo mo na. Oh. Na.
Sa ring din ako wala ano, yung bata. Ay, sana ko sa ganun nila yung. At tingnan ko raw. Sana yan kami dito wala.
Later.
Followers from
Oh, how much is 1 kilo?
150. 150?
They said 150. Later we buy this one.
350 lang. 350 lang siya. Thank you, guys.
No, 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 not this one.
Awol?
120 naman ang kilo. Yung ito 150, pero kilo 120 na lang ang kilo.
How much this 1 kilo? Ask her.
Pula ng kilo ng
So that one giving 150. Yeah. Different people, different prices. Same things.
Because this is not the one that the high price is here for magaling only.
Go. Go. Sino go? Sino go? Sino? Pangroshin. Hoy, bakit mo nila? Dogeg. Hey.
How are you?
This, you buy this?
Yeah.
Pagi. 150.
No, no, not this one.
Pieces.
No.
Pagi, 2 pieces. 150. Tulingan. This is tulingan.
Oh, yeah?
Tulingan.
With
100 pieces. 3 pieces, 100 only. In the Philippines.
no, very good in English.
Oh, you are good in English.
Yes.
Yeah.
My
So-
mother is Filipino. My father is Filipino, but good in English.
Oh. So it's 3 for 100,
Yes.
and that 2,
150.
that not 100.
140.
We come back.
Okay.
Just me.
Basta ba tayo?
What is this? What is this?
Kung seafood, talaba called talabahir. And then you open the shell. But we cook this only half cooked.
Okay.
Then I cannot I never eat that one.
I never eat that one. Sorry. How much 1 kilo?
Ay, sir.
Sila ng 1 kilo to.
150 na lang, 100 to nga. Damo-damo, sa kilo mo, mag-ano sabay?
How much he giving? Wait. No, wait.
You try to kilo.
Ano, sir? Try ka lang.
No, okay.
Jer, hi na Jer! Say hi, Jer, hi! Sam! Sabi! Oh! Ano na sa mo? Sam, hi na din sa mo! Pag-ayo sa Facebook!
Yeah, this is very big.
Just one.
Just one. Oh, can I see that one? Wow, that's a really big.
Only one.
Fried it later.
You will buy that later. I thought you should sell, but
So,
try and eat.
So we have to buy some fish now. Yeah.
iwa na
I have no knife.
Wala na sa iwa.
But this is smooth. When you cut this, very smooth.
150 dua, 140. 140, okay na. We take 140 to.
Okay.
Where you like?
Ikaw lang din man yun. Dito yung kasama mo yun.
Yes?
Kahit mais mo English.
You don't listen them because she's people in the Philippines is a very joke people. You know what?
Katakilid lang prote, okay man eh. Mamansindihan man.
Oh, nag-touch ko.
He graduated in high school. So
I have
that's
to go
why
to college because I'm very poor.
that's why he speak English. But not well, but he speak.
Nice to meet you.
India,
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, you want?
No, not this one.
Nagawa ng dread ayo.
Yeah, take 1 kilo. You are good in bargain.
We buy also
Hi, sir.
How much is this one? 1 kilo.
150, 1 kilo.
It's local price?
120.
One, 120.
1 kilo.
Yeah, before she said 150. Now, when I ask his local price, then she say 120.
120.
Oh. Okay, give 1 kilo. Okay. How much she asking?
50 pesos.
50 peso for all?
Yeah, we're on.
Okay, give that one.
Huge. And we pay 120 to the fish, small fish.
Yeah, 120 plus 50.
170.
Yeah.
170.
We did 120,
Uncle, this one. You want this?
Hindi mo buka-buka. Ganyan. 300 per kilo.
Mhm. So, what is the last price? This one? Not 150? Please give me 150, 1 kilo.
Yo. 180. No less.
Okay. Okay, 160, 1 kilo. 160, please. 170.
170.
Oh. So she's agree for 170 because I like these are big size.
170 lang.
Yeah. 170.
Wala na ako
Kaso na rin naman. 180.
No, 170.
170.
may amat. Ano?
Ay, give again 180. More than 1 kilo lang. 180 but more than 1 kilo.
Give 180.
Lagi na vlog mo ko? Vlogger from ano?
Different countries.
From what countries? From what countries?
I am from England, but originally I am from Pakistan.
From Pakistan.
Yes.
Tiray, vlogger from Pakistan daw, Tiray. Let's have. Sino na yun?
He is from Germany. He is from Germany. Yeah, he is from Germany.
Ate, gusto yan. Ate, picture ka mo ka. Dugay.
Oh.
Sa selfie.
Kilala ko din dahil.
Hello, sa mga kuya. One selfie. One selfie. Di
Somebody want to make picture with us. He's from Germany. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Uncle, this one.
No, not this one.
No net? Brother,
You want to try this one?
No.
What's your page, channel?
Travel with Nasir.
Travel with Nasir.
Travel with Nasir.
Yeah.
You can
India or
Pakistan.
Pakistan? Oh, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. What is that fish? Can you see that one?
Yeah.
Sige, muna na video eh, no? Andito lang. Inay, sila na, Nay.
This is soup fish. You want to buy this one?
You want to buy?
For what? For soup?
Yeah, maybe we'll shoot. Lagaw, big. But that's big.
Oh, we see the big one? Yeah, okay.
Much higher because good for the soup.
Oh.
Open tip.
Hi.
Just smile.
Oh.
Just smile.
Give to her this one. Give her.
Thank you.
This is your uncle.
Thank you.
Which one is better? The left side? The left one? Okay.
This one, mahal ko nung many classes. It's very expensive fish.
And what about this?
300.
300. Why not this 300?
Ano nami? Ako yung balayagan. Yung video.
This is 300.
350 na na.
Okay, give 1 kilo.
350. Hindi, tapos naman na bakal.
Diyos ako na tsura na. Nakatutok ang kamera.
250.
350.
Yeah, we
How much you have?
250.
Wait a minute.
Thank you very much.
Tagalog and Ilonggo is not the same?
Yeah, no, Ilonggo, Tagalog is national.
And Ilonggo is local?
Local, yeah. Dialect.
Okay.
Local dialect.
Okay, thank you very much. Salamat.
Thank you.
Small lemon, calamansi.
Yeah.
140, 1 kilo. 140 kilo, 35.
Take for 35.
Yeah, right to 140. Ilan ito? 140. Gamay lang 140. Sila? 35 also.
Cheap one.
Ibo ko lang muna din kasi lang. 60? 60 ang kilo. That one? 60, 1 kilo or half kilo?
Half kilo lemon also.
Lemon C2. Buy this.
If you like, you can buy that one, no problem.
100 all. Salamat. Okay. Thank you.
You want this one for the soup? Yeah. How much this one?
20.
Take 2 piece. Yeah, that is okay.
Galing talong
Talong,
plant
sir?
sa pila na
60 ra.
60 ang kilo.
Ah.
61 kilo.
I want to buy some mango more if we can find, yeah? Ah, there is one man, he has the mango. Or the woman. Yeah, she has mango. Wow, I like the ripe one.
Sa pila kilo, Lai?
100, sir. 120.
100 kilo, 120. Pero tamis.
Sa mayo, tamis. Kaya
Ang
mga 2 days namin na nasa.
After 2 days you eat. It's not so sweet today,
Di
but
ba sa sila nga tamis? Ay ano pala rin eh.
120 per kilo, 100 per kilo.
Iyo ah.
Yeah, but give the good one, please.
O sige.
Which is more, which is more ripe, but
Sige.
maybe some I can eat today. Yeah, please.
Ayaw, panit nyo lang.
Sa skin.
Oh.
Sobra na.
418 ano?
Over 2 kilos.
Bilang ko lang? Or ano? 244?
244 o exactly 2 kilo only.
It's okay.
244.
So you are fully loaded, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to go home now. If we can find something on the way, okay, we will buy. Otherwise, go home now. It's already too much. We not buy the potato?
Potato.
Yeah. You think we have to buy now? A little bit?
Yeah.
That's enough. How much is 1 kilo?
100. Ilan sa kilo to? 100.
80 all, sir.
80. 1 kilo.
Okay, give 1 kilo.
Sir.
We arrange this one so that we arrange this one.
Ah, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Wait. Blendy, wait.
Pila na to? 100 per kilo.
100 ang kilo. Paano na yan?
Okay, give 1 kilo. No, not this one.
Hindi, tatlong lang pala.
Ah, tatlong lang. Okay.
I can arrange this
Because you're feeling very heavy. We are going now. We will go direct. How much is that one? The okra? 81 kilo. So give me half kilo, okay?
Half lang.
Yeah, half kilo, yeah. Where's this cassava?
No. Ano ni gani dahil? Ano ni siya gani? Bisol. It is something called here in local bisol.
Oh.
Like cassava also. Cassava.
How much this banana?
Wala. 50 to 50 pesos
So
to
she's banana is very cheap here. Why is she giving expensive? Last time we bought there, she give only 20 pesos or something. It's
50,
expensive.
But, yeah, 50 both.
2 pieces?
Yeah, 2 pieces, 50 pesos.
Oh. Okay, give.
Kung tamisa na?
Yeah, yeah, okay. And this one. It's 50, yeah? You ask her 50, yeah? 50. Okay. I can take.
Kasi sabi, hindi ka kakatulog ko gabi, hindi mo na ugan ka. Gusto niya ba mamanis sa talugan, bukod ka to? Manaming yung katulog. Tayo mo.